Hey YouTube, thanks for coming back to my channel. I am Mo and today I am teaching you how to make business cards with little money. So I was doing some research. I know I needed business cards. I wanted to look very clean, very professional before I packaged off items because I want to do things a certain way. So I looked up Vistaprint, usually that's people's go-to. And I said, no, I don't want to pay that money. So I wanted to find something different that I could do. So I went on Amazon and I ordered the labels from Avery. So I'm going to walk you through step by step, and then I'm going to show you some other options that cost little money. So this is actually the business card that I made. It's more of a thank you for shopping. Um, Card, and then on the back of it I put I'm gonna cover the promo code. On the back of it I just put my Instagram, Facebook, email, and website of how you can find us. And then on the back of the little thank you to my customers, enjoy a percentage off, and I gave a promo code. So it's the size of a business card. It's not too bad. I didn't do any shiny, any matte. I mean, you can have that option if you want it, but I just needed something to slip in their package and then just to say thank you. So what it looks like is actually Avery. So I'm going to send you step by step on how to do it, and we can go from there. So, so this is actually the website, and then I'm going to show you exactly what it does. So I went to Amazon first, and actually this came in less than a day. It actually came in a couple hours. I think it's a Amazon warehouse not too far from me. So it came. So I ordered the Avery printable business cards, and you can use it with your inkjet printer. I have a HP Office Jet, and I'll show that to you. I actually got it from Staples, but they do have it on Amazon, that you can order and you can send. So being that we're going through this pandemic right now, people are not leaving their house, so everything can be done in your home. So the labels are 28878, and these were 653 for 90 cards. So that's not bad. Um, 653, 90 cards. If you wanted to get more cards, 120 cards or 1058, and 1,000 cards or 4230. So right now I ordered the 90 cards. They came, and after that I went to avery.com. So you go to avery.com. You can set up an account, it's free, and then I went to template. So find the template. So the template that I chose, that's when you type in that number 28878, and it'll pop up exactly the card. So it gives you the dimension and everything that you need, and then you can start designing or let us print for you. I have never let Avery print for me because I have a printer. I'm not sure how much it charges, but if you want someone else to print for you, I'm not sure it's going to be a difference between Vistaprint or other business card companies, but you can also always check that out. So I clicked start designing. This is where you can begin to design your business card. um, I picked the two-sided option. So you just have to read each part. It's both clean edge business cards. They all go the same. One side comes out sideways, either vertical or horizontal. And then one prints on one side, and then I chose the print on two sides. So we can select this template, and this is where they show all the business cards. You can select your own design. So it can be blank, or it can be something else that you want. So if you can't really decide, or if you're doing any type of business, you need something quick and easy, you can do like this. For example, this is Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is not my design. It's not my brand, so I didn't want to use it. I made my own. So when I made my own, which I already have a logo on here so I can show you, you can apply from a saved project. So a saved project is something that I already had done. So everything that I have saved, it pops up in here. So these are where I also made my labels for my different lip glosses. That is the first business card that I made. And then to redo it. So these are just different labels I had. So then I would click select design. So I already have it up here. I'm going to show you. So when you click select design, it shows you exactly how you want it. You can rotate your options and to show you how the business card would look out and how it would print out. So you can just get PDF to print. I already have a PDF on my computer, so I'm not going to pull up another one, but it prints it out 10 sheet exactly how you want it, and then you put it in your printer and it prints out. I'll show you the printer that I got. It is a HP, so it's an Office Jet HP 5255 wireless printer. Like I said, I got it from Staples. I have to see how much I got it for. I got it maybe almost a year ago. So I have to see how much it was for from Staples, but right here they have some from Amazon. You can basically use any inkjet printer, but I will link mine in the description box below, as well as the business cards if you want, and as well as the labels, because you can make labels. Everything I make is from Avery, and I made my logo on Canva. Another option that you can do is Awesome Merch. So Awesome Merch, their business cards were $8. So I did order some. I ordered 100, so I ordered 100 for $8, and then the ones I made were 90 for $6.53. The only thing about Awesome Merch is that they you have to pay before you get to design it. So I didn't get a chance to see what they look like, but they should be coming soon. I believe they are in Texas. So, yep, they're in Texas because it says about. So they do a bunch of different things. I just knew they did business cards for sure. So that's what I chose. So you go to how to order. You can make an account. It's free to make an account, and then it's just it says how to order. So you can either order online or via email. I chose to order online. When they got my stuff, they did contact me because one of my logo was too big. So they tell you exactly what you need to do, and then they help you, walk you through it if you can't get it together. So you choose your product, which I chose business cards. You create your account. And you add your selections to your cart, and then you make your payment. So they want your payment first, then you upload your artwork. So my artwork was already uploaded. Well, I already had my logo because so all I had to do was upload it from my documents, and then they create it. So then I'm just basically waiting for delivery. So those are two options, but if you really didn't want to wait, you can always order from Amazon and go from there. So that was a way that you can really order fast and quick and something for cheap. So you're trying to save money if you're just starting your business out and you don't want to pay anybody. This is a great way to go. So if you like this, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Anything else, any other questions, anything else you want to talk about? And as you're joining me on this business journey, let me know. Thank you.